What is up, Boujiful people? Back again with another new video, an unboxing, a review. Fortunately, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos like this for this particular sneaker piece slash item. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But I figured, you know, I might as well just share this new pickup with you guys. With nothing else to say, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's just get into it. So around the box, there's a plain brown box. And as you can see by the title, it is a Yeezy piece, a Yeezy sneakers. On this side though, we got the shipping label. Not gonna show that because, you know, personal information. But yeah, let's cut this thing open. There it is, guys, opening the box. Woo! I'm real with you guys. This is like my first actual regular Yeezy. It's stacked. What the frick, man? Got it. Okay, here we go. In the box, nothing else. This is from Yeezy Supply, by the way. Totally forgot to give that tag. Just on the top, $350. Yeezy Boost $350. Made by Adidas. Adidas.com/Kanye. So on the tag, you got Yeezy Boost 350 V2 B, you know, style number, and then zero. Okay, yeah, I'm just not gonna read those because I don't know what's going on there, but check that out. Again, it is from Yeezy Supply. Opening up the box. Gonna open this out. Wait, let me see if I can just pull it out because so it's easier for us to what is going on here, boy? Okay, there you go. Jeez, that is super secure. Oh, okay, this guy right here, see that? He be holding the folds. All right, so anyways, unraveling it. Boy, I'm gonna tell you right now, I was so excited for the shoe because, no joke, this is my favorite color. Like, I like weird, stupid colors. Like, look at that, bro. Oh my goodness. And then, you know, it's just the fact that, like, it's just a troll color in my opinion, you know? And it's loud. These are the McChicken Yeezys, boys. Alright, we took both pairs out, nothing else, just the wrap. Inside, nothing else. So cool, man. I'm super stoked and excited for this. Yeah, nothing else inside the boxes. We'll leave this on the side for now. Alright, let's get up close and personal, man. On the right side, you get a tag, Yeezy tag that comes with almost everything. It says Adidas Yeezy V2 Boost, whatever, blah blah blah. You know, all that information, style code, etc. See, one thing I noticed about the newer releases with Boost, the Yeezys, check the Boost out. Check this out. It did not look like that. Like, they got a lot of the circles now, so that's something different. Back to the point, yeah, it's like a McChicken wrapper colorway. This is not a black or gray. It's like a bluish, navy bluish. To my eyes, it looks like a navy bluish. And then the Supply 350 in like an orange red, you know. And then on the bottom, you got that brown sole. Not really translucent, but you know, it is cool. Let's work with the right side. Check out the back heel tab. I heard you like pull tab, so I put a pull tab on top of the pull tab. Nah, but check it out. Yeah, that's cool. Laces is laced up like this. No extra spare laces. Adidas Yeezy in the insoles. One thing I like about the inside too, you got padding right here, so it is comfortable. See that padding? And then you got 3 stripes going down on the heel tab right there. You can see the sizing tag right there. Oh, here's the inner side, clear side. You know, got that wave. That's just the wave. This is pretty cool. I like this huge part for some reason. This in the midsole, pretty huge. And yeah. Smells good. Other than that, that's basically it. The prime knit is cool, looks comfortable, super bright, noticeable, catchy shoe. I mean, as you can see, that's why I wore this hoodie, just for the theme, you know. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. I got new videos coming out real soon. Actually, one, I just finished filming one before this, and now I'm gonna film another one because I got another package coming in. But again, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Happy holidays, stay tuned, and I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you, peace.